Hey kids, let's practice some sight words while we're jogging down the road. As we're jogging down the road, if a sign appears on the right, say the sight word and jump out of the way to the left. And if the sign appears on the left, we're going to say the sight word and jump over to the right. Be sure you have plenty of room between you and your neighbor so you don't accidentally jump into each other. Are you ready? Let's start jogging. Here comes the first one. They. Jogging down the road, jump out of the way. They. Can you say the word before I do? Are. Keep going, keep going. Are. Jogging down the road, here comes the sign. This. Jogging, jogging, jogging. This. Can you say the word before I do? With. Which side is the sign going to be on? With. Four. Keep going, we're half done, Here comes the sign. That. You're doing great, keep jogging. From. Have. Jogging, jogging, jogging. Have. You're doing great. Have. We're almost to the end. You. Only 3 signs left. Keep going. Here's the first one. And 2 signs left. And last one. Which side is it going to be on? Keep jogging. And great job, friends. Great job jogging and reading those sight words along the way. Hope you had fun. We'll see you next time.